Friends,
Good morning, sir.
sit down. So, can anybody quickly recall what we discussed in the last class?
Sir,
Yeah,
about
very
rhizobia.
About rhizobium. And what does rhizobium do?
Nitrogen fixation. Plants will be go into
Yeah, very good.
Rhizobium is
Who
present
told
in the
that? Very good. Nitrogen fixation. And
symbiosis.
symbiosis. The relation existing between rhizobium and leguminous plant is symbiotic relation. And parasitic relation. Very good. Teja. Very good, Teja. Parasitic relation is the relation in which no, parasitic is not friend. Yeah, it will steal food from the plant. What? Yeah, very good. Microorganisms in the soil. Very good. Yeah, harms of microorganisms. We'll go in more detail in the next few classes. For today, we'll discuss some useful things about microorganisms. Okay? Okay, fine. Did you all have your breakfast? What did you have? What did you wait. No, Martha. I asked you what did Idli, okay. Dosa. Then rice, curd. Normal rice. Okay, rasam rice, very good. You? Curd rice, okay. Will not write that rasam rice, we'll write this curd rice. And? Okay. Puliyora. Okay. It should be. And? You? Tiger rice. You? Okay, okay, whatever it may be. Okay, wait. These are the what? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Most of us eat prefer these, right? Idli, dosa and all. Okay, can we prepare those instantly? Like yeah, there are some food items we can prepare instantly. Like you told, right? And like you told, lemon rice. And yeah, those can be prepared instantly. Instantly we can prepare those. But what will happen for this idli, dosa and curd rice? Can we prepare those instantly? Or do we need to do something last time? Okay, what we will do?
Steaming.
No. One day before we will, fermenting. We'll grind this dosa and this one, and we'll leave it some hours before we cook it. Then only we'll get that taste. Yeah. Fermenting. And what will happen here in this case of curd rice?
We want curd.
Yeah, we will take some milk and we'll mix it. We'll add some curd or buttermilk to it. Yeah, very good. Some buttermilk to it. Yeah, which one we use here? Lactobacillus, as I told you before. Lactobacillus. So see, there is very significant role of microorganisms in our life. Since we start the day till we end the day, there is very significant. Okay, why are you wearing a mask now? See, here is also some effect of microbe in our lifestyle. See, from morning since night, there is one or other way it can affect our lifestyle. Okay? So, okay, yeah, it can affect negatively also, but here we are studying about these things. So, can we say microorganism as a friend?
No.
No, not completely. We have to tell as microorganism as a friend and foe. So, for this class, we are only interested in studying the aspect where microorganism is a friend. Okay? Yeah. For today, we study useful microorganism. Write down in your notes. Microorganism as friend. Microorganisms as friends.
Sham, wait for.
What?
Not reading, sir.
Open your notes and write.
I'm writing board. Cat friend.
Okay, now tell, since now we are discussing these things, right? Preparation of food and all.
Yeah.
Now say one by one. How it is useful in our home? Uses of microorganisms in home. In preparation of curd. Yeah, in preparation of idli. Yeah, idli and dosa. Same. I mean same.
Preparation of dosa. Preparation of chapati.
No. There is no role in preparation of chapati.
Puri. Puri.
Yeah, we'll keep it in like so that we can get some taste. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, bonda also. You can write in this calculation. Idli and
Idli, dosa, bonda.
dosa, bonda. Yeah, many different comes under this. We will put yeast in that. Yeah, vada. We will put yeast in that. Here we are using lactobacillus. Here we are using yeast. What is the yeast name? No, yeast is category of and the particular organism I am asking about. Anybody? Okay, I'll write. Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Right. You are right there. Okay. Can anybody guess any other uses in our home? What happened? Any other uses where we use any other application where we use microorganisms?
Soap. Soap, duster.
Hmm?
Soap,
Okay, fine. Now tell industrial uses, commercial uses. Commercial means just for money purpose, for preparing, for using it in industrial purposes. What are the uses?
Steam.
So now, do you know anything that we get after fermentation? Anything? Pickles. No, pickles we add preservative. In that microbes can't live. So there is no role of microbes. There is only negative role in that picture. And there won't be any microbes. Anything? Any guess? Huh? Coffee powder, no. Whatever it is. Not exactly. Yeah, curd we already wrote there. Yeah. Curd also prepared in industrial setup. It can be prepared below. Buttermilk also, yeah, fine. But okay, do you know alcohol is prepared through fermentation? Do you know? Okay. In commercial use, yeah, in commercial use, we can write fermentation. Fermentation, alcohol. Write this one. Commercial use. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, wine also. Grape wine and all. Do you know what is fermentation? Yeah, what we do to juices? Okay. Did you ever observe this? If you buy a juice and if you keep it, if you left it aside for 3-4 days, what will happen? Yeah, it will spoil. What smell you will get? Huh? Yeah, you will get it. Yeah, the gas will come out. That is because of microbial action in there. Microbes release some gases, right? After respiring, those gases will be there. No, that gas was used by us only. Like in first, that is preservative gas. Okay? But here, fermentation, we'll add some microbe to sugar. What is sugar? Carbohydrate only, right? Carbohydrate is present in rice and yeah, wheat and all. You know, we'll do nothing. We'll pour the rice and all. We'll put some more water and we'll add microbes to it. Then fermentation starts and the alcohol will be prepared. But don't try to do this. Because yeah, in sanitizers also we use alcohol. Very good. Say loud. Yeah, we try. You know, we just need sugar. Sugar mixed with water, and we'll add some microbes. Sanitizer. Okay. Alcohol. Okay. This boy is asking. Sit down. This boy is asking, why should we use alcohol as sanitizer? Is that what you are asking? Okay. What is the property of alcohol? Alcohol is not good and bad. Alcohol is of more concentration. More concentration. Yeah. When there is more concentration, when we apply that and when there is a microbe, that microbe will die because of that more concentration. Because you know this, like there is a concept called osmosis. Maybe you will get it in your either first year or second year. There is a concept called osmosis. You know what will happen here? When there is an organism, when we put that organism in a solution which is of more concentration, water from this microbe comes out. Water escapes out of that organism. When there is no water in the organism, what will happen to it? It will die. That's why I told you yesterday, right? Don't use sanitizer more.
Yeah.
Now tell what happens if you use sanitizer frequently, very frequently. Yeah. Do you know why it happens? Because even our body consists of cells which are having water in it. When we apply more sanitizer, that water will come out because of then the cells will break, the cells will shrink, and so I am suggesting you not to use it more, but use it before eating food and use it when you feel you will touch your face. Is that clear? Very good. Wait a minute. One by one. Stand up. If you want to ask something, stand up. Okay. What else? Stand up. Did it happen to you? Okay. You know, if you observe for some people, for some people, when you apply more sanitizer, it will become red. Did anybody observe that? Okay, very good. That's because of this process. Okay, so better don't use it and don't go near fire after applying this alcohol because it will catch fire so easily. And you wanna ask anything? What? Vinegar. Yeah. Sit down. Yeah, bread also. In bread also we use a fungi which can make it fluffy. You know? Yeah, not fluffy means it will be of this size in the starting. After release of gases from the microbe, it will become like this. That's why it forms like pores and all in that. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Anybody, any other doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, this is the commercial use of
Alcohol.
micro. This is use of micro and we will get alcohol from it through fermentation. Write down fermentation. In commercial uses, write down fermentation. Alcohol. What is alcohol? What is there? Okay, alcohol. You don't know alcohol? Okay, very good. Stand up. Very innocent. I'll tell you now. So alcohol is a kind of concentrated liquid that will cause kind of trance. When you drink it more, you will go into a trance. You won't be in your conscious. Is that clear? And anybody anything else? Wait a minute. Okay, and any other doubts? Silence. In our body?
Not meeting. How will prepare blood in our body?
Okay, blood in our body. What is the class going on now? We are talking about microorganisms. Okay, but still I tell you how blood will prepare. Sit down, please. Sit down. This boy is asking how blood will be prepared in our body. Yeah, with help of water. Yeah, it's also right. But there is a process. There is a process. Huh? No, no. Yeah, there are many substances which help our body to actively prepare blood. Blood is prepared from the pre-existing cells, and it will keep, like, you know, each blood cell will die for 120 days. So it keeps generating new cells.
Okay, sir.
Blood is not just liquid; it is mixture of many cells and some fluids. Is that clear? Now
Yes,
let us
sir.
come back to microorganisms. So this is the use. Fermentation. Did you write? Sit down. Alcohol is bad for health when it is consumed in more amount than prescribed by doctor. When you use it in the amount prescribed by the doctor, it is having positive effect. Don't think we will drink so much. Doctor will prescribe only this much. So the way many people are consuming it is very harmful to your liver and to your health. Okay, shall we again go back to our topic? Okay, write down definition for fermentation.
Ma'am, catch my I must be ready.
Fermentation. Fermentation is process of conversion of process of conversion of sugars into alcohol. Or in example you can write alcohol. Alcohol fermentation.
You told us of sugar and alcohol as an example alcohol. You told us of sugar and alcohol. Again, we must write example of the alcohol.
Right. And any other uses? Any other uses?
Bread.
Bread making, yeah, fine. Commercially, in industrial level.
That coffee powder is there, my friend. Coffee powder.
Coffee co.
Coffee powder.
No. Okay, let us go to the second one. Okay, did you ever go to doctor?
Yeah.
After getting injured by a cut or something, what is prescribed for you?
Soup.
Huh?
Soup or antibiotic.
Yeah, very good. Stand up. Very good. Clap for yourself. Antibiotic. What is antibiotic? What is antibiotic? It helps us. You can share it now. What? Okay, very good. Sit down. So, your friend is saying it will help you when you get injured. Do you know in which way it will help you? What is the meaning of biotic? What is the meaning of bio? What is the meaning of bio? Okay. Anti.
Nothing. I will
Right.
write.
Antibiotic.
Ma'am, one
What
catch,
is
ma'am. I
anti-
have to write one for you.
Anti means against, right? Against. What is bio? Bio means life. You know this, right? Bio means life. Biotic means animals. Animals or organism. Antibiotic means organism. So antibiotic means we use organism to kill another organism. When we get injured, there will be some infection through the bacteria present in the air or on the surface of body. See, when we are having skin, bacteria can't enter into our body, can't touch our blood. So when there is an injury, it will be so easy to get inside our body, right? So to prevent that bacterial infection, we use some of the organisms that can very good kill the other organism. Antibiotics means in the term what we take microbes only, and that can kill other microbes which can harm us. So that is the use of antibiotics. So we can use microbes in preparing antibiotics also. You can write this point. Antibiotics. Preparation of antibiotics. Antibiotics.
Biology is
Open your textbook, page number 38. Page number 38. This one. Story of discovery of antibiotic penicillin. Story of Alexander Fleming. Page number 38.
Alexander
38. Yeah. Okay. So there is a story in the textbook when the first antibiotic was invented. So during the time of, okay, everybody listen to me now. During the time of First World War, like they will get injuries, right? Because of the injuries, because of the bacterial infections, they used to die. Not just because of the bacterial infection. So there were many scientists worked on that. How we can prevent this? How we can? They know the reason. Because of the bacteria, those people are dying. But they are researching on it. When they are researching it, they will take the sample, right? Why they are dying? Like we are working on coronavirus right now. In the same way, they took the sample of that and they are working on it. And by mistake, some fungi fell in that beaker in which they are culturing that. That fungi started killing those bacteria which they are cultivating. Then he observed, okay, some animal is responsible for, some organism is responsible for killing bacteria. Then he understood, like, why can't we use this? Why can't we use this as antibiotic? When a person getting cut or something, get injured, then we can use this penicillin. That organism, right? That organism which is killing other organisms. Then he started researching on it, and the organism he found, he named it as penicillin. Even now we are using it, right? You all heard of penicillin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That is the story of discovery of antibiotics. Since then we are using many organisms as antibiotics. Is that clear? Okay. Then we are using this microbes in our homes and even in this fermentation. Fine. And we are using it in soil also. That's useful to us in soil also. Are there any other uses? Any other uses? Yeah, TB injections. Yeah, those are all. These are comes under medical uses. Antibiotics and all. Yeah, turmeric powder, no microbes will be there, but that is just antibacterial and antifungal. Yeah, if you apply, it will kill bacteria and fungi. Okay, I'll ask you a question. I'll ask you. Onion peel. No, there won't be. Yeah, on onion peel, you can see that black color, right? Sometimes. When you see that, wash it properly. That is not just color. That is fungus. So wash it quickly when you see it. Tell your mothers also to clean it very well. When you find that black color coating on it. Okay, we can see trees, right? And leaves keep falling, and even the plant will die sometime. What will happen to that after some days? What will happen to that after some days? Yeah, in the course you can tell. 24, okay, it gets dry. Okay, sit down. Okay, your friend is telling it will become dry. After that, what will it stay dry like that? Okay, stand up. Okay, if you get mixed with soil. Yeah, mushroom fungal will come. Very good. When some organic material fall, it will not stay like that. It will fall in the dry condition. Okay, it will fall when it's green. Okay, for example. And after some days, it will get dry, as your friend told. Then we can see some mushrooms and some insects on that. So what's happening in that process? Very good. What's your name? It's getting decomposed. Which will decompose it? Insects. Yeah, very good. Insects will decompose it. So, can you see all the insects that's working on it? No? Okay, yeah, you can see a swarm and you can see some other organisms. But what about some other organisms which you can't see? Do you think they will exist? Very good. Yeah, even some organisms exist which we can't see with our naked eyes. So what is happening there? Even microbial activity is included, right? Okay. Take it down in your notes. Decomposition. The process of breaking organic material by action of insects and microorganisms.
Sir, question.
The process of breaking down of breaking down of organic material through action of insects and microorganisms. Insects and through the action of microorganisms and insects. Yeah, very good. Can you think of any other examples where microbes are helping us like this? Okay, what do you think? What will happen if this decomposition is not done by microorganisms and insects? What will happen? All the waste will be piled up. So, yeah, all the waste will be piled up and we'll get so much smell and all. So, it's needed for us to for organic materials to be decomposed. It is very much required. Okay, can you think of any other these kind of examples? Huh?
By making
Making? Good. Yeah, we already discussed it. But any other I am saying. This was not mentioned in your textbook, decomposition and all. What? Fertile. Yeah, this will include making soil fertile because that's decomposing it and adding it to. Okay, it is there. Okay, it is adding it into soil so that this organic material will add some fertility. Okay, let us quickly recall what we discussed just now. Charan, stand up. Say two uses of microorganism and industrial purpose. Industrial purposes. You don't know? Okay, sit down. Okay, wait, no, stand up. Ask your friend. He will tell you. You know? Sit down. Anybody? Raise your hand. Any uses of microorganism and in industrial way. Making of curd, yeah, like tell me. Making of curd and making of alcohol. Very good. You tell now. Making of curd and alcohol. Very good. Sit down. And okay. Process of decomposition. Describe the process of decomposition in your words, own words. Process of decomposition in your own words. Yeah. Okay, thank you all.